The stars have aligned. You feeling some type of way? Are you in a mood? A moody mood? The kind of moody mood that has you feeling moody? That's because you have crabs. The sun is out, summer is here, and all I want to do is be on a beach. But for some reason, I feel like crying. Somebody get me a crab cake, please. I'm starving. Must be Cancer season. Happy birthday, you Krabby Patties. We love you almost as much as you love your feelings. If any sign could manifest their wildest dreams falling into their lap, it would be you. I said a crab cake. Cake! Crab cake. Stay true to who you are, do what you love, and the rest will fall right into place. This year is all about independence, Moonchild. We love that you're always there for us. No, seriously, like, always there. But now it's time to focus on yourself. Dump those friends that have you feeling like a babysitter. Mom friend, schmom friend. I'm not a regular Cancer, I'm a cool Cancer. Right, Regina?
Mom, could you go fix your hair?
We know you love security, but don't settle for someone who doesn't match your intimate energy. Hookups aren't really your style. Debatable. The stars are telling me that pretty soon you might find a casual fling that you have a ton of fun with. Look out. Keep your tits ready. Coupled up crabs have nothing to fear. Communication is flowing like the ocean, baby. Looks like you'll have a big decision to make towards the end of the year. Don't let this change rock the boat, because ultimately it'll bring you two closer than ever. And you'll be 69ing all the goddamn time. 69, 69, 69, 69, 69, 69, 69, 69. Famous Cancerians include Ariana Grande, Selena Gomez, Khloe Kardashian, Chris Pratt, better known as Burt Macklin, FBI extraordinaire, Elon Musk, Will Ferrell. Breaking news. There's been quite a discussion about what sign Lana Del Rey actually is, as she was born on the last day of Gemini, first day of Cancer, but the time is not known. We have incoming news that she has tweeted, she is in fact a fucking Cancer. Suck on that, Geminis. Mess with the crabbo, get the stabbo. Not a Cancer crybaby, but want to know what the stars have in store for you? Call me now. Or cut your own arm off.